Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to request money on Valora. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app, and then on the home page you will see the send and request buttons. Obviously, I just signed up, that's why I have $0 on my account, and the send icon is inactive because I have nothing to send. But I can request money by tapping on request, and here it's going to ask me if the app can access my contacts. And if you want to request money from your contacts, you can give access, and then you can request money from your friends. But you can also come here and type in a name, a phone number, or an email address, and then the contact is going to appear and you can send a money request to that person. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.